MTD Network this week. Well, you know what we're going to start off with. First of all, hit that red button if you need any parts manufactured. Request that quote. Pop your details in there and we'll get some quotes for you. Timely, efficient and competitive. What more can I say? Blue, hit that blue button. Join MTD Network. Pop your details in there. We'll be in contact. We'll get you signed up and then you can get access to those quotes and promote your company. Now, what's been going on this week? Rend, first of all, will be making some high-end lampshades. So if you want your designer gear, get in contact with those guys. A state-of-the-art grinder from Power Cut, the S31. Hold tolerances all day long, really tight tolerances. We'll do one-offs through to production run, so get in contact with Paul and the team there. L&R Precision, they've got a fantastic DMG Mori making critical components, so got a bit of spare capacity there. Get in contact with him. Subcon, we were there last week, day one, all about the visitors, day two, about the presenters. Day three, we saw loads of engineers and their components, so watch those videos, all great stuff there. And what's trending this week? Well, all the Subcon videos we could see. What else? Wilbar have got a bit of spare capacity. They've actually got a 5-axis Herco coming soon, so watch this space. And our friend Andy from MTD CNC, still trending. He's got a bit of spare capacity on his sliding head lathe. I know he's a busy man, but get in contact with him if you need some parts manufactured. That's it for this week. You know what I'm going to say? Red, request that quote if you need parts manufactured. And Blue, join the network, get yourself signed up and we can get your company promoted. That's it for this week. We'll see you soon.